The world didn't end with fire. It ended with thirst. Water is now more valuable than gold, and most of it will kill you. Clear doesn't mean safe. Nature lies beautifully. One sip can end everything. So you slow down. Moving water survives longer. Still water remembers death. You think upstream, always upstream. Fire becomes your ally. Boiling kills what you can't see. Time replaces technology. Patience saves lives. Filters don't have to be perfect. They just have to work. One drop at a time. Hope sounds like dripping. Even the sun can help. Condense what the earth breathes. The desert hides secrets, if you know where to look. Trust your senses. If it smells wrong, let it go. Water wasted is better than life wasted. You guard water like a weapon because others will notice. Silence keeps you alive. Survival is quiet. Clean water doesn't feel powerful until it's gone. In the new world, the one who controls water controls tomorrow. Subscribe to Last Day Sketches.